Mochi, mochi. Good morning, guys. You're waking up with me and we're gonna spend the morning together. I'm trying to live a bit of a healthier lifestyle and just get my body moving. But this morning, I'm gonna go for a run instead of going straight to breakfast. So I'm gonna freshen up really quick and head out the door. I was gonna open with you guys after breakfast, but I'm kind of excited to see what I got, so I'm gonna open with you guys right now. Okay, I'm gonna start by opening up this first one right here because it's the biggest one and I'm really excited about it. Box within a box. You look hot from this angle. Oh, that's so cute. This next box is from Maylee's and it looks so exciting. It's a beautiful chest. Let's open it up. It says open the chest and get ready to slay. We love that. Okay, so we're gonna open it up. Wow, I love this. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to try these. So there's 6 body serums that Maylee's is coming out with. Oh my God, the packaging is so cute. Look at that. It's like a heavy glass and each body serum does something different. This is the cutest packaging ever. These are definitely giving luxe, high-end. I absolutely love the unique colors and how they each correlate with something different that it does. Orange bottle is the Relore Titan Tone Body Serum. This is mine. I'm gonna use this. This is mine. I can't wait to start using this, but it helps reduce appearance of cellulite and fade the appearance of stretch marks. Ooh, I need that. And then this green one is called Revamp Plumping Body Serum. I'll be using this on areas that I need to plump up. So this purple one is Restart. It's a resurfacing body serum and it helps to leave the skin feeling silky smooth and bump free. Honestly, guys, I think I'm sold on these 3 already. There's also this called Reset and it's a balancing body serum. This yellow one is called Reshine. It's an illuminating body serum. Ooh, this one sounds really good too. Resolve age-defying body serum. Ooh, oh my God, now I don't know what to pick. I was reading more into this and it says that these 6 body serums have a hyaluronic fusion technology that help deliver the ingredients into the skin way better. So all of these areas that you're targeting, cellulite, fine lines, wrinkles, plumping, hydration, that's getting delivered deep into the skin and actually going to do something. There are before and after photos that I saw. They look amazing. Like I am so excited to start using this. This is new, not just for Maylee's, but for the body care industry. Serums that target problem areas just like your face. Oh my God, this is a game changer. I feel like nobody talks about how skincare is not just the face, it's the whole entire body. I'm so excited mainly because I have issues with cellulite around my legs, tightening and toning around that area. A lot of it has to do with my legs and then my entire body is so dry. I'm definitely gonna be using the Revamp because it helps with hydration and plumping and I'm just gonna use this all over my body. This one has hyaluronic acid which helps to plump and moisturize the skin. It also has blackberry fruit extract to promote firmness, lifted looking skin and help amplify the body contours. Another concern of mine because my body is so dry is fine lines for the face and for the body. And so I'm gonna go with Resolve as another one because this is definitely gonna help me out. This is the anti-aging one. It's supposed to give you tighter, smoother looking skin. The ingredients in this is hyaluronic acid and baculus ferment. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but hopefully I am. That's gonna help target the appearance of loose skin and reduce the look of wrinkles. I'm putting this everywhere. My other body concerns are stretch marks and cellulite. Stretch marks I got when I had my son 15 years ago. And I also have cellulite. I'm always working on smoothing it out by working out, but now that there's a serum, I am so ready. So this one is the Relore Titan Tone Body Serum. I wanna know what's in it so we know the ingredients that are working into the skin. It has Synfit to help smooth the appearance of fatty skin. I'm reading this by the way. Chlorella vulgaris extract to help diminish the appearance of stretch marks that I'm just so ecstatic about. Hyaluronic acid to help the skin feel moist and plump. They all have clinical results, but I want to share with you the clinical results of this one, the Relure, and I'm going to read it to you guys. So it says, clinically proven to reduce appearance of cellulite, tighten appearance of the skin, and visibly hydrate the skin. So I just wanted to share that with you guys and share my excitement for trying this. I also want to just like test out what this feels like on the skin. It's very milky and smooth, very silky. Immediately, I feel like my skin is way more soft. I'm gonna put this all over my arm. The texture is so silky and smooth. It feels really good. I can feel the deep hydration on the skin, and it also smells amazing. I'm gonna open some of my other packages to see what I got, but stay tuned to the end of this video because I am gonna do a 2-week test of these 3 serums on my body. So I'm gonna share with you the results. All right, let's go make breakfast because I'm starving. Breakfast or brunch is my favorite meal of the day. This is my favorite time of the day. I make different things, pretty much the same ingredients, but in different ways. So today I'm making tacos, breakfast tacos with my egg whites, chili powder. I put salt, pepper, garlic. They're full of flavor, always hits, never misses. And today we're doing bacon, not turkey bacon. I'm just gonna live my best life today. A little avocado. I usually make this on avocado toast or tacos. Avocado's going somewhere in my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Chick-fil-A sauce, bacon, avocado. It's giving I'm here for a good time, not a long time kind of breakfast. I promise you on a cheat day, you need these tacos. And I'm gonna show you how to make my world famous iced coffee that I'm almost out of. You need 0 sugar oat milk and agave syrup. Pouring my last drop of coffee. Add the oat milk, mix it up. Oh, the swirls get me every single time. Then I add my agave syrup and really stir it all together. But it is not complete without the cinnamon on top. I love cinnamon in my coffee. And now shake it up and enjoy it. It's the best. This is so good. Everybody has to try it. I'm gonna check some emails, eat my breakfast, and enjoy my coffee before I head in the shower. Today is not a hair washing day, but we are gonna put on the body serums together. I am going to apply the Revamp first. This is the plumping body serum. Let me just show you guys my legs. So this is before. This is day 1, and I'm applying the serum all over. Okay, my legs automatically look way more hydrated than before. You can see the glow versus this side. And then I'm gonna do the Resolve. This is the age defying for wrinkles and for fine lines. Mine is more so for fine lines because I do have really dry skin and it's literally all over my body. For the cellulite and the tightening, we're gonna do the Relure. This one has the body serums on it, and this one doesn't. Okay, I'm gonna finish putting this all over my body, and then I'm gonna follow up with you guys in 2 weeks. But right now, I have to get dressed, film, and edit. This is the outfit vibe for today. I'm gonna film a makeup tutorial really quick, edit and post, and then I have to start making dinner. But that's another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video with me today, hanging out. But don't go yet because my 2-week follow-up is happening right now. All right, guys, this is my 2-week follow-up. I've been using the Maylis body serums. These 3 were mine. The Relure Tighten Tone Body Serum. The serums fit perfectly into my routine in the morning, at night, and I put it on. Sometimes I put it on twice a day just because I know you get the best results when you do that, but I didn't do it every day. I usually do it when I get out of the shower. I apply a thin layer to the visible cellulite and stretch marks on my body. I have them everywhere, but I'm only going to show you the back of the legs because that's where I have both. And I definitely feel like it helped to reduce the appearance of the cellulite. My skin feels so much tighter and firmer, which makes me feel so much more confident about wearing shorts this summer. The Resolve Age Defying. For this one, I wanted to focus it on my chest because I want a tighter, smoother looking skin right where my cleavage area is. This has definitely helped my skin feel tighter and it looks visibly firmer, and it helps to promote younger looking skin, and I just feel all of that happening, and I'm just really happy with how it's looking. And the Revamp Plumping Body Serum. This one I just drenched all over my body, to be honest, but I do like to focus it on the top of my legs where I want more fullness, and I feel like it visibly helped to plump the skin overall. My skin feels and looks tighter, and it's visibly plumper and tighter in all the right places, so I'm really happy with it, and I have been enjoying these products so much. These products smell so good. The texture is so smooth, lightweight, and just feels luxe. But look at the legs, they're so glowy, so much more tone. And my body is just glowing, like without even trying. It's just so shiny and firm. Confidence on 1000%. Everyone needs to go out and grab these hyaluronic fusion serums from Nailie's. I have a 15% discount code. It's Christen15. Use it at checkout for site-wide 50% off. They're so good. I'm so happy with my results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out these videos here on the bottom. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to stay updated with me every single week. We'll talk about makeup, life, body care, skincare, and just stay motivated. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Before I let you go, as always, I leave you with a note to take with you for the rest of the week, and that is love yourself for the way that you are. You are already so beautiful. Don't doubt yourself. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.